Hello, second graders. We're still looking at the question, how does the use of natural resources shape the way a community develops? So we're going to look at a region in New York called the Finger Lakes region. This is a rural area. This is far from a large city. There's not very many roads and lots of nature. And we're going to look at it and how people use this area of New York. So let's remind ourselves what natural resources exist in a rural community. Water, trees, plants, soil, animals. Put myself over here. Animals and grass. Okay. So now let's try to find out what natural resources are here. Can you name some? Waterfall, trees, and grass. What about here? A lake, more trees. What about here? A river, trees, and mountains. Those are all a lot of the natural resources you can find in the Finger Lakes region. So what are some fun things to do? Remember when you watched the video, they explained to you all different fun things that you could do in the Finger Lakes. Paddleboard out on the lake. Nature centers, learning about how to keep care of the nature, but also how the area was formed and its history. Kayaking. Here's two people kayaking. All right, also on the lake. And last is hiking. Because of the mountains and the different waterfalls, they've made all kinds of great trails that you can walk around and discover some of these great things. All right, so let's look back on our Finger Lakes region and think about how a rural community is formed because of its natural resources. Rural communities form around natural resources. Lakes, waterfalls, rivers, and mountains help rural communities to form. These natural resources are used for farming, but they are also used for recreation. So maybe one town will start to exist because there's some kind of fun lake there. You can do things on the lake. Maybe there's towns, or there are towns in New York where skiing is really popular. So it has a little small town. It's a ski town because people stay there and go skiing or snowboarding all day. All right, I hope that looking at the natural resources and the different communities helped you understand how different communities are formed because of the natural resources around them. All right, second grade, until next time.